VKTX stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Viking Therapeutics stock, absolutely melting, right? It's melting. My idea that I had, and potentially just taking things further higher, just did not happen. And it's not because like I suck and this and that. I mean, I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and all of this is documented on this YouTube channel. With VKTX specifically, because we started shifting, right, I was very open-minded to, because this is how big things start, very open-minded to buying even more as long as I saw the rules met. And guess what? Because the rules were never met, not 3 out of 3, the price just kind of kept melting. So, and I never acted upon this. I more so even kind of abandoned the ticker, but yeah, now we're here. And the only real shift that I would like to see is a full candle close above $36, but we're since we're not there. Yeah, more likely now we're just gonna keep melting down. If not, it's all good, I mean, I'm not, because we're so close to the lows, there's just no reason for me to short here. I just rather observe. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.